I'm a little PO'd right now. I use treplin in my garden for this purpose right here, keep grass out. Well, guess what? It ain't working this year. What in the hell? I have no idea why. This side of the garden's fine, this side of the garden's really not fine, and here's the kicker. This side of the garden got the most treplin, because this is where I started at. I started easing off of it when I got over to the other side because I started running low. But this side here got the most treplin, and it's got the most damn grass growing. Alright, I need to wick it. Can't get the tractor in here now because I got my stakes out. So I can't run through here with the cultivators. I got a little trick. It's time consuming, but it works. And if you got a sprayer, it works great. You ain't got to buy nothing other than a couple of little items that I'll show you here in a second. But let's get in here and get our wick set up so we can get rid of this stuff. Get this grass out of here. Oh yeah, I'm on. Alright, you can go to the ag store or whatever and spend all the money you want on these pre-made Roundup wicking devices. You got a sprayer, you don't need that mess. You don't need to waste the money on it. Now, if you're doing a big field and you got a couple of pigweed, your pigweed sticking out over a huge field somewhere, yeah, get you a wicker. You're gonna need that because you're gonna have to pull it with a tractor. Get out there. But in your garden, there's no need to go buy an expensive wick, Roundup wick. You can make it yourself out of some simple stuff. I use toddler socks. They work great. I'm fixing to show you how to make a wick that works great, and all that it costs you is toddler socks. A pack of toddler socks goes a long way. Alright, let me get out here and get my sprayer. Get my sprayer set up, and I think I got some Roundup in it. We'll see. Alright, I got a little bit of Roundup left, and that's really all I need. Because the purpose of this using a wick is to not actually spray this stuff, because you're going to be going right next to your plants in your garden. You don't want to kill them, but you want to kill the grass in between. So go ahead and spend all that money on a brand new expensive wick system. There's a bunch of different setups out there, from a simple pole to some stupid elaborate rope deal. Anyway, this will work just fine, and this will get the job done. Take a little bit of time, but it'll save you some money and get it done correctly. Now I'm going to try to hold this stupid camera in my teeth while I try to get this set up. Here we go. Maybe it'll work. Yeah. Alright, right there. You got a toddler sock wick applicator for your Roundup. Now let's go kill up some weeds. Alright, we out here. We got a dry sock. Watch this. Now we got a little Roundup wicker. Just be careful. Don't get in a hurry. And I mean, you're not going to get all of them with every trip. So you just come back. Keep bumping a little bit of Roundup in there. And I'm doing a terrible job with the camera, I believe. And we're just going to ease on through. My biggest worry is the ones that's near the plants. We just kind of wipe it around. Just like that. Hopefully we won't kill any plants, but if we do, that's fine too, because I keep some backups sprouted. So if I do kill them, I can come right back and replace them pretty easy. And I don't know what this deal is with this grass. This grass, I've never had a problem with this type of grass before in my life. It's everywhere now. Alright, I got a lot to do. There you go. Homemade redneck Roundup dripper. Not dripper. Well, I guess you'd call it a dripper and a wick. All in one. Here it goes. Y'all have a good one.